We are at the Economic Times Best Brands celebration for the metal cutting industry 2018, and I have with me Mr. Umesh, who is the Chief Executive Officer for ACE Manufacturing Systems, which is also popularly known as AMS. Good evening, Umesh.
Good evening, how are you?
I'm doing good. Umesh, since this evening is all about brands, tell us what does AMS as a brand stand for?
See, when you say ACE manufacturing system, we make machining centers, drill tap centers. There's a vertical machining center, a horizontal. And we are quantity-wise number one as far as the machining centers are concerned. We have local presence very well. We have 70% of our repeat customers coming in. They have a lot of confidence. We are absolutely customer friendly. And we give a lot of solutions to the customers in terms of productivity improvement, automation, or standalone machines. We are also looking at how we improve the technology of the Indian machines so that we can compete globally. That's why we have around 11% of market, basically that's turnover as a export this one, and which is growing. And that when you look at the export, we are selling more number of twin spindle machines, which is a high productivity machines, and that too in Korea, China, Hungary, UK, or France, in these countries. So our presence everywhere is good, basically for the technology machines rather than simple day-to-day usage machines of CNC.
That says a lot about your brand. So what makes your brand best in the market?
Pardon ji?
What makes your brand the best?
See, there are a few things. One, when you look at the product has to be good. Right. So productivity-wise, we are around 15% plus. And second thing is the stability and rigidity-wise, it gives around 30% better to life. Third thing, we have one of the best service and space support. We have Micromatic Machine Tools as our partners who are giving the space and service support, who is having around 38 offices around the country. And that makes them to reach the customer, most of the customers, around 90% of the customers within 4 hours from the complaint lodged, which is one of the record in Indian machine tool history. Yeah, that's something phenomenal. Of course, we measure it 4 hours, 8 hours, 24 hours, 72 hours like this, no? So most of it gets over within 8 hours itself. So that's a very good record, and it continuously improving on that. The second thing is we are continuously improving the technology of the machines. With the help of the other machine system manufacturers, we have a small R&D of our own where they continuously work on improving acceleration of the axis, spindle, how do I improve the rigidity of the whole thing. So that makes us to be at the cutting edge of technology as far as the Indian machine tools are concerned. And then we also gave very good experience for the customers when they come into AMS. And AMS is known for its green factory. Right. We have a lot of trees around, and there's an open factory, open culture. We don't have an cabin for anybody, including MD or CEO. Okay. So we have cabin only where functionally required, like spindle assembly or CMM or something like that. No? So that makes us approachable, not only to customers, our own people or suppliers, and anybody who walks in. So that's the advantage what we have. People feel us, we are reaching out to them very easily, and they can reach out to us. So that's why very friendly atmosphere between customers and us, that makes us to succeed in this business.
Right. I think this kind of open culture is what makes companies like yours the torch bearers for Make in India also. Thanks for talking to us. Appreciate your time.
Thank you so much.